My knee's shaking, that's normal, right?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
Try to keep it in the field. Are you flying?
This is impossible. Like I'm nervous right now. I don't know. I'm nervous to fly a whoop. I'm really nervous to fly this whoop.
But it's not your whoop.
Yeah, that's probably, yeah. Probably.
Matter,
I don't want to be the guy who broke Bardwell's whoop, so.
Arm switch is going to be on the left here.
Okay.
You don't really need any of
Yeah, I
switches.
think
nothing else matters.
Yeah, nothing else
Your
matters.
fingers are shaking already.
Yeah, I'm
So this is mode
no
one.
choke nervous.
Mode 1. Tell me the controls.
So I got throttle, yaw, I got roll, and pitch.
Yep.
In theory.
I think that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, cameras are rolling here. Attempt number 1.
All right.
Are you going to fly line of sight?
Oh,
if he's going to fly
I'm
line-
gonna go goggles. I'll go goggles if there's
You could go goggles.
Really?
yeah. Just
Yeah,
if
go
I'm gonna do it, let's do it. Oh,
in the air.
this is ridiculous. Okay.
He is going
Okay.
up in the
Oh,
air.
oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, he's going towards the sun. That's it. Oh, I'm supposed to follow that.
Where is it? Disarm.
This I don't know.
Where is it?
It's on. I think it went on.
Where'd it go?
I think on. Yeah, just on the outside of that.
Are you getting it, Keith?
Oh my God. Like, I was just like, come back down.
Okay,
That
so
was-
what happened? Tell us what happened.
So craziest thing is flying in mode 1. My throttle's over here. Who would have thought?
Right.
So I went to try to just take off and just pitch into it, and then
You throttled up.
I throttled up. Yeah, and then as soon as I went, I hit ejecto-seat. I was ready just to bail and rip the parachute. So after that, I'm not sure what happened.
You went
Okay.
really high.
Okay, take number 2.
My knee's shaking. That's normal, right?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
All right.
Try to keep it in the field. Are you flying?
This is impossible.
Can you do it?
Nobody does
Okay,
this.
let me try. I've never tried it.
Okay.
All right. There we go. All right.
Okay.
I think Charles went further than you did.
It's your muscle memory is completely backwards.
So, oh goodness.
Oh, I'm armed. Okay, go again.
All right.
That's roll. Okay, where's yaw? Oh,
Yaw
that's not
goes on
right.
the right with the throttle.
Okay, I'm gonna try and get in the air.
Yeah. Oh, he's going. He's going.
Oh God! As soon as you, okay,
Yeah.
hang on. Okay, here we go.
Oh, there he goes.
As long as I only use, oh God, okay.
Oh, now you're going up towards the, don't get in the tree, man. Okay, you got it. Nope.
No.
Oh.
I started to get it.
So
for like
tell
a brief
everybody-
second.
Tell everybody who uses mode 1, why does it exist?
Australians,
Freaking Australia.
people from New Zealand,
That's where
mostly.
the toilets go around the other way.
Yeah, they just do things wrong over there.
And they drive on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
It's hard. I started to get it for a fraction of a second. As long as you just like use the right stick and don't move the throttle too much,
Right.
then you're fine.
And me from
But
out
as
here,
soon
I'm like,
as you start putting the throttle in,
I'm just flying. No.
your turn, Ken.
Okay.
All right, Ken Heron flying mode 1. It's left shoulder to arm and disarm. Left shoulder to disarm.
Left. I got it. Okay.
You armed? You flying?
Yeah. Oh, there's no way. I mean, there's just no way. There's just no
You
way.
gotta try it again.
I'll try it
gotta
again.
try-
All right, I'll try it again. Pitch, roll,
Yeah.
yaw,
Yeah.
throttle.
Yeah,
Easy,
easy, right? Yeah,
easy
no
peasy.
problem. Try to just put the throttle up and go straight.
Oh,
You have to arm.
throttle up.
Now use roll. Oh! Yeah.
There is no way.
So how many hours of practice will it take before you can do that?
Oh, screw you, Australia. Damn. There's no. It's like beginning all over again.
It is.
That feeling.
You think that you know what to do, so you should be able to mentally translate, and you can't
Right.
because your fingers make the move before your brain can circumvent it.
Yeah, but you know that horrible feeling when you were learning acro?
Yeah.
I don't like that feeling.
No.
Let's stop this madness.
This video was a terrible idea.
So you think Silly String can bring down a 5-inch quad?
Not a chance.
Oh, challenge accepted, sir.
Not a chance.
Oh, good, the sun's out. Get lower. Button! I got some in my mouth.
The plastic bag is good. Look at this. Look.
So you had to get lower.
Yeah, that overheat too.
Yeah. That's good. We could still use that. That's good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Why do I hang out with Ken?
Ken made you do it.
This tranquil sunset in BFE, Alabama is about to be disrupted by a bunch of wacky drone flyers.
So just 15 minutes ago, this was an empty cow pasture. But now, it's filled with drone people. Hey Dave, what are you about to do, Dave? Dave, what are you doing, Dave? Dave. Oh no, Dave. No.
Oh, yeah.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Hey,
What?
they signed a waiver.
Oh, waiver. Well, okay, go.
Cool.
Right? You ready?
Ready. Light 'em up.
You're good, Dave. Go. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. Holy hell. Oh my God. Oh, that's the best. That's the best one ever right there. Dave, your thoughts? Oh, so much fun. Wow. All right.
Dave took so long to take off. Like,
That was pretty cool. What a great. That was pretty cool. That is some good down-home rednecky fun right there.
Gotta love the South. Gotta love the South.
And all of this is perfectly legal.
100%.
Why?
It's private property.
Yes.
They can off if they don't.
Okay, and that's it. Just beep. Okay. What a great ending to a really fun day.
Woo! That one was close.
you want to wait?
Ooh. Ah.
Look like dough, you know?
Wow.
Well, Ken, thanks for killing my quad.
I did that, didn't I?
Well, apparently it was upside down in the grass with the motor spinning for a long time, and now it seems like the flight controller is
Was the
died.
disarm on the other side too? It wasn't.
I think we just didn't know if it was disarmed or not. Keith, why didn't you tell us it was?
Yeah, Keith.
I did. I had
Yeah,
to keep
man.
yelling at him to turn the
What's
motors
wrong with
off.
you? But it's Keith's fault for sure.
You know,
It's your fault, man.
I had to yell out because I can't pick up a spinning prop machine off the ground for anybody because, you know, I like
Excuses.
fingers.